In this video, we are going to be reviewing the Eat It or Wear It challenge. I have compiled a bunch of funny clips of TikTokers from all over the world having fun with the challenge for you to enjoy. So without further delay, let's eat it or wear it.
Who is your favorite person in the group?
I don't have a favorite.
So eat it or wear it.
I'll eat it.
What is that? For you. Okay, who is the prettiest? Oh no. You don't have to.
I'll wear it.
You'll wear it? Which one? Who's your least favorite pastor?
I don't know any of the time.
Oh god!
That smells so gross.
Who do you find the most annoying?
Let me just get this ready for you to eat.
I can't answer that.
Seeping to your brain.
Yes.
Oh god.
So we decided to play a little bit of a game called the Eat It or Wear It challenge. We rolled a dice, whatever number it landed on was either eat it or wear it. This one was a wear, so Tyson had to wear all the whipped cream. I sprayed it all over his body and made a little Tyson sundae. Ha 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 ha, that's cheeky of me. As you can see, we are also covered in barbecue sauce, cake, spaghetti, fucking everything. What a good day it was. Fun little game. Obviously, we need to wash off. So we jumped in the pond that was right next to us. I got Tyson to wash me and be my mother. That was really nice. He got water in his mouth, squirted it on my back. He put his head in the water. He probably got a disease from it. And then it was over. The end.
We're playing Eat It or Wear It with my siblings. The ingredients. Come on, guys. Eat it or wear it game. You're going to eat it or wear it. Wear it. Winika. Eat it or wear it. Eat it or wear it. Eat it or wear it. Sama! Eat it or wear it. No. Eat it or wear it. Eat it or wear it.
That's pretty good.
No! Today we are gonna play Eat It or Wear It. Open.
How much do I have to eat?
Eat it or wear it.
Eat. I can't.
Yeah!
Go. Oh my god, Shiley. Open. Eat it or wear it.
I hate this stuff.
Wear it.
Ew. Oh, it's making it so greasy! Open.
Eat it. That much?
Yes. Chew it. Smushed beets.
Wow. Wow. Shiley, stop.
You were like about something. I'm gonna flop. Cry. I'm calling it first. Okay, you act. Go. Go. Okay. Oh, Macy's got it down already. There's a crunch. Olivia, go. Go.
So next is tong egg. So
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up. It was at this moment that he knew.
He fucked up.
Look at me right now. No, look at me right now. I'm not going for none, TK Maxx. I'm not going for none, bro.
Watch out. I'm really gonna need you to watch out. You hear me?
Oh, that's what we doing?
That's what we doing.
That's
I'm
what
really
we
gonna
doing?
need you to watch out.
You trying to square up?
So what's up then?
What's up?
So what's up?
So what's up? You're making a mess.
So what's up? I'll clean it up. So what's up?
I'm sorry.
Nigga wanna
So, ano tayo sa kape? Kape. Yung pakla niya. One, two, three. Sabag ka ta. Ako na. One, two, three.
Yeah. I-shampoo mo yan, girl.
Change your mind.
Nah, bro.
You cannot change your mind.
Fuck, yeah, I'm out of here, bro. I'm wearing it. I'm wearing it, fool. I'm good. I'm good. I'm wearing it. I'm wearing it.
Yeah.
You actually tried the... What is that? What are you doing? That's disgusting. You know I'm allergic to Perry.
Bro, would you rather eat it or wear it?
Oh, obviously it's gonna be wear it.
Oh my god! Yo, Jake, calm down,
Oh, fine, I'll take it. I'll eat it.
Eat it.
You guys put it in my own. You guys put it in my mouth. Oh no.
Eat it. You gotta eat it. Even what's on your...
This is the eat or wear it challenge. Let's go. Alright, egg, homemade salsa.
Oh, that's so gross. Oh my gosh.
Pineapple Dorito soda. Pineapple Dorito.
Oh.
Whataburger mustard. Cheddar and sour cream Pringles.
Put the whole thing.
Oh my. Oh.
There's not that much in
Oh.
Aunt Jemima syrup. You know what it is.
Only the best.
Oh.
Alright,
Go.
we got some Sweet Baby Ray's buffalo sauce.
Oh.
We added milk, Oreo, mayonnaise, and Mentos. I just said.
And we topped it with a little bit of butter. And come back and for part 2. It's next video. Part 2 is our next video. Bye. All right, Colby, are you gonna eat it or are you gonna wear it? I'm gonna eat it. All right, take it. All right, 3. Yeah, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh! 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 How do you feel? Oh my god! Go. All right, are you gonna eat it or are you gonna wear it? I'm gonna wear it. All right, let's go. Let's go. Oh my goodness gracious! Oh my God, she's got a bald cap. How do you feel, Colby? I hate you. Tad, how do you feel?
Smelling. Your whole body is smelling like... Okay, good. Man... Let the water drift.
ना whatever you break back to you.
Eat it or wear it. मुझे कुछ भी खाना नहीं है मैं बहुत खा चुकी हूँ तो मैं पहनूं और कौन सा दिस मैं भी पहनूंगी तो लेट्स डू दिस केचप छी लगा रे केचप लगा मेरा मेकअप लगाना है फ्रंट कैमरा किया और ये लगा नहीं रही है तो चीटिंग मैंने केचप मुंह में लगाया अब इसको अंडा लगाना पड़ेगा
This is gonna be the revived smoothie of 2020. What is this? Double stuff? No. Mega stuff. It's so gross. Oh, I got it.
Eat it or wear it.
Oh, yeah.
Babe, drink it or wear it.
Fuck off, nah. Nah, it's cold outside.
Drink it or wear it.